My sabi person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. This na Favours blog. I will bring you Open Heavens devotional in Pidgin English for Monday, wey be the 30th day of September 2024. Our topic for today na the fountain of youth. Our Bible reading dey come from the book of Joshua chapter 14 from verse 6 go shook body enter 15. We go take am together. Judah men come meet Joshua for Gilgal, and Caleb wey Jephunneh wey come from Kenzi tell Joshua say, you know wetin God tell Moses his servant for Kadesh Barnea about you and me. I be 40 years when Moses, God's servant, send me from Kadesh Barnea go spy the land, and I come back come tell am the truth. Those wey follow me come dey make Israel people fear, but I still dey loyal to the Oga, my God. That day, Moses come promise me, any land wey you waka enter, e go be for you and your family forever, because you dey loyal to the Oga, your God. So now, make you see, God don keep me reach now, just as he promised. For dis 45 years, ever since God tell Moses a word, when Israel people still dey wilderness, come reach now, I not die, and now I be 85 years, yet I still strong like when Moses send me go do spy. I fit still fight, come do my everyday work with the same power when I get that time. So make you give me the country for hill when God promised me that time. That time, you know say na Anak people dey there with their big towns. But if God dey with me, I go destroy them as God promised. Then Joshua bless Caleb, Jephunneh pikin, come give am Hebron to am. So till today, Caleb when he papa na Jephunneh from Keniz come take Hebron land because he dey loyal to God. Before dem dey call Hebron Kiryat Arba. Now Abba be Anak people papa and everybody know am. So after this time, war no come dey the land again. Our memory verse for today dey come from the book of Psalm 103 verse 5. Read after me. He satisfy our life with good things, and even as we still dey young, our life strong like eagle own. Make we enter today's message. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for this channel. Drop your comment. Some people no wan grow old. E just be like say they really look for where they call fountain of youth, wey go keep them young forever. Why e dey very impossible to dey young forever? You fit still get strength and vigor of a youth no matter how old you be. I tell some of my friends some time ago say, since Joel chapter 2 verse 28 talk say young men go see visions, if you still dey get visions when you dey pursue, that means say you be young person. God go give you visions when you wait upon am for a presence. Habakkuk chapter 2 from verse 1 to 2. Those wey dey spend quality time with God, dem dey call them visionaries. Dem dey come out of God's presence with enough visions wey dem wan accomplish. Before I become born again, my biggest vision na to be the youngest vice chancellor for Africa. But after I come dey saved, I come start to dey spend time with God, I come dey get bigger visions. Anytime when you dey God's presence, e dey always dey transfer give you some part of am. For inside Exodus chapter 34 from verse 30 to 35, when Moses returned after I don stay with God, the Israelite children, dem no fit look am for face because God glory dey all over him face. Moses dey always spend quality time with God. E get one time he stay in the mountain for 40 days and he spent time with God. Exodus 24 verse 18. No wonder when he dey 120 years, his strength never reduce and his eyes still sharp. Deuteronomy 34 verse 7. Abraham dey over 80 years old when he go fight war to take rescue Lot, his nephew. We see am for Genesis chapter 14, 13 to 16. He fit still do this thing because he na man of altars. He dey always spend time with God. When you spend quality time with God, e go keep you strong and youthful. With the small sleep wey I dey get because of my tight schedule, I suppose dey look older than my age, but by God's grace, I still dey strong enough at 82 to go on long walks and my eye never dim. Not because I dey very special, na because I dey always dey come in contact with God's glory for His presence. Beloved, you fit retain the vitality of your youth even unto your old age if you dey addicted to God's presence. However, you no go fit live unhealthy lifestyle and expect say God go keep you young because you spend hours for His presence. Anybody wey dey irresponsible with his or her health go definitely face the consequence. Spend quality time with God and His glory go rub off on you, and your youth go dey renewed like that of the eagle. Our key point for today be say, when you dey spend quality time with God, e go help you retain the vigor of your youth. Na here we take come to the end of today's message. No forget say the topic wey we consider today na the fountain of youth, and na from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional book na we for take the message. Open Heavens Daily Devotional book na book wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write, and on top here Favours blog na you take receive the message today. We wan thank all our subscribers. Abeg, if you never subscribe, do well to like this video, share the video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. And to everyone of this family, we wan beg una say anytime una watch any of our videos, una do well to drop any comment for the comment section. The International Youth Convention of the Redeemed Christian Church of God dey start today wey be 30th of September, and e go end on the 4th of October 2024. The venue na still the Redemption City of God, Kilometer 46, Lagos Ibadan Expressway, Ogun State. Pastor E.A. Adeboye, Pastor Belemina Ogbonge, Pastor Mrs. Folo Adeboye, Pastor Emmanuel Emefiele, Pastor Obieze Kwesili, and other anointed ministers of God dey ready to bless your life as you attend this convention. Don't forget say the theme for this year's International Youth Convention na Dominion. I don dey destined to dominate. What about you? We will see for our next video.